And now to the medical report. Today, we are reporting 2,268 additional individuals who were diagnosed with COVID-19. We now have a total of 102,686 confirmed cases throughout Illinois. Since yesterday, unfortunately, we received a report of 87 additional lives lost for a total of 4,607 fatalities. A total of 672 tests have been run, with 29,307 tests being reported in the last 24 hours, our highest total to date. As of last night, 4,107 individuals were in the hospital with COVID-19, and of those, 1,088 patients were in the ICU and 609 patients were on ventilators. We have been talking about this novel coronavirus for months now, and we have learned a lot, but there are still unanswered questions. We have learned that people infected with the virus can spread it to others even a few days before they start feeling sick. There are instances where people who do not have any symptoms, or the symptoms are so mild that the person may not seek or need health care. However, a person who is asymptomatic can potentially still spread the virus, which is why testing is so important. So there are still questions we don't have answers to, such as, after a person is infected with the virus, are they immune? Can they get infected again? If a person is infected, can that person's blood or the plasma from the blood, can that actually be used as treatment for others? We are still learning the answers to these questions and many, many more. We're trying to learn them as quickly as we can, but we must use what we do know to be true to help protect ourselves and stop additional spread. And what we do know are the same things we've been saying from the beginning. Social distancing does work. We now know that wearing a mask can actually help prevent the spread of the virus, and washing your hands can prevent not just coronavirus, but so many additional viruses and other pathogens as well. Let's take it slowly. As we go into phase 3, as we continue to learn about the virus, we want to move towards continuing the reopening, but we need to do it in a smart way and in a safe way, and that means following the science. Thank you.